Supermassive black holes with up to 10 billion times the mass of our Sun are thought to be at the center of most large galaxies. As their powerful gravity sucks in material, they can create a ring of superheated matter brighter than the galaxy itself, called a quasar. And astronomers long thought that this was the signal of a galaxy's demise. But the recent discovery of cold quasars has changed how we think galaxies and their life cycles. A ring around a pitch black hole that's brighter than a whole galaxy is quite a contrast, but it's what happens when dust and gas falling into the black hole start swirling at nearly the speed of light. At these extreme speeds, the friction between the particles superheats the material, giving off X-rays. Because quasars are so bright and can be seen from so far away, they look almost like stars, hence the name, which comes from quasi-stellar radio source. To astronomers, a quasar is the sign of a passive dead galaxy, where no more stars will form. That's because the magnetic field surrounding the gas can get twisted up, steering gas away from the black hole and launching it into space, shutting off the gas supply the galaxy needs to form new stars. Quasars only last as long as their fuel source allows, and after they run out of gas, a faint galaxy is all that's left behind. But just maybe, somewhere in that span, the galaxy gets one last hurrah. Astronomers decided to check if star formation in galaxies with quasars might be possible. They first picked out an area of the night sky with visible quasars. They honed in on blue ones because those are past a phase where dust surrounding them that's still cool absorbs their radiation and turns them red. So these were galaxies that should be at the end of their lives. Then they looked at those blue quasars with both an X-ray and a far-infrared telescope. X-rays are the sign of superhot material, like gas falling into a black hole. But infrared radiation shows just the opposite. Cool gas that's still capable of clumping together and forming stars. Unexpectedly, they found both X-ray and infrared signatures in about 10% of the quasars they looked at. That is completely contradictory to how we thought this worked. Somehow, this minority of galaxies still had pockets of cool gas left in them, and they came in all galactic varieties, like spiral and elliptical and compact. The astronomers think they may have gotten very lucky, catching these galaxies in a transition phase that may be as short as 10 million years. Now, I know that seems like a long time, but on a universal timescale, that's barely a hiccup. The astronomers behind the discovery liken this period to a little retirement party before the galaxy calls it quits, which is completely adorable. So, do all galaxies get a gold watch and a few more stars before shutting up shop, or is this a rare phenomenon? That's what the researchers are trying to figure out next. I, for one, hope it happens to all galaxies, even our Milky Way, because I'm really hoping this retirement party has cake. The astronomers made this discovery while conducting what they call a blind survey, hoping to find objects they weren't looking for. So, it pays to go into things with an open mind. If you like this episode, let us know down in the comments, and for more science in your day, make sure to keep coming back to Seeker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.